here we go. This is 222 Gold Rush regular mini. Gold Rush regular mini. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Amanda, Jets, Seahawks, Redskins, Andrea, Ravens, Bears, Colts, Jags, Chiefs, Rams, Anthony, Bills, Eagles, Benji, Chargers, Bill Hill, Cardinals, Browns, Steelers, Falcons, Broncos, Lions, Raiders, Dolphins, Vikings, Bucks. I'll get you a free spot. Corey, Packers, Niners, DJ, Texans, Eric, Val, Patriots, Saints, Giants, James Cross, Cowboys, Mike, Salazar, Titans, Nate, Bengals, and Susie with the Panthers. Alright guys, good luck to you. Full-size basketballs, 7 spots left. 7 left in the basketballs, baseball bat, and the multi-sport jerseys working as well. Alright, sealed up here. Sealed up, sealed up. Alright, Javon Kinlaw for the Niners. Javon Kinlaw, J99K. WE61036. Javon Kinlaw. Going to San Fran. Javon Kinlaw. Interesting. Probably must be a really big heater in here. Alright, Corey for the Niners. There you go, man. Corey Charlwood, 5 times. Bill Hill, guaranteed a spot. See who else is joining you. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Bill Hill. Alright, man. There is your free spot there. On the regular mini. Gold Rush mini. Alright, very good. Nice Kinlaw. Kinlaw, 7 left, guys, in the full-size basketball. We're almost got that series. There's only 10 left in the series. So, good stuff there. Almost done with that series. Alright, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. We can also get another premium basketball pack going. Premium football pack. Prism Mega's going. Also, the baseball bat is going as well. Alright, guys, appreciate it. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you, thank you.